If you have the Philips Sonicare toothbrush, you know the replacement heads can be pricey, but it's a great brush. So I looked into the Brushmo Replacement Heads, and it's great. It comes in a package of 8, which you can see come really nicely packaged here. And I'm going to see how they fit compared to the Sonicare original brush that I have on my toothbrush. Now you can see, looking at the brush, that it's definitely worn down. You can see the coloration and the bristles. So once you pull it off, the new Brushmo replacement slides right on. So it's a perfect fit, and once you turn it on, you'll see it's the same ultrasonic experience you're used to. Now, once I started to use it, it really felt great because I waited too long to replace my other one, so I can automatically feel that the brushes are more firm and don't poke me in my gums as much as the old one did just from overuse. But it's also a softer brush than the original. Brand new out of the box, I would say this one's got a much more gentle feel, and my only regret is that I didn't do it sooner.